This is the multi-tool guy here with a review on the Victorinox Evolution S52 Red. I'm not sure what colours you can get it in, but red, I like it. It looks original. Right, I'll show you the tools. So we have a nail file. That's it, nail file. I'm not sure what else this is, but all I can notice is the nail file. You've got a knife. This is a very old multi-tool. I've had it for a little while, going 4 or 5 years. Has a lock, which you have to push down like that. You can close it, but it's been dropped a few times, so you don't have to press the lock. Just does that. We have scissors. They're good scissors. They last a long time, but eventually they just break like that. See at the tip there. Yeah, it's a bit broken. Sometimes when it goes in, it doesn't go in right. I can't show you, it just happens. It's this saw. It's a really good saw. It's like flexible, but it's true, so it goes straight again. It's good quality. I've used it. We have wire cutters, wire strippers, needle nose pliers and pliers. You can change the angle, how big you want it to be. I use them for fishing mainly. It's a good multi-tool. Costs about $80. You've got a can opener and a small flathead screwdriver there. You've got a bottle opener and a medium flathead screwdriver. We have tweezers. They're alright. They're good for picking stuff up of small areas. Toothpick. Yeah, it doesn't last long. You have your corkscrew opener and your very, very small flathead screwdriver which goes into the cork. And then we have an awl. It's very sharp. I've cut myself many times on this. Don't try it. Well, apart from that, that is the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. This is the multi-tool guy signing off.